Hi, we're on lesson 48, the practice set. Let's begin. Here we have two digits and we're multiplying 16 by 4. Our first thing is the ones. 4 times 6 is 24. Place my 4 here, put my 10, which is 2, over the top. Then I go my step 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. B. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry and put our 1 right here. Second step, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. $45 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. We take and put our 0 there. We put our 3 up here to remind us. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 3 is 7. So $270. Please make sure that you remember the dollar sign. In this situation, we have 53 times 7, and I personally like to do it this direction. So I'm rewriting this to a little easier for me and probably for you. So 7 times 3 is 21. Put our 2 up at the top. 3 times 7 is 35. Plus 2 is 37. 8 times 5 is 40. Put the 4 up here. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 4 is 28. And finally, 9 times 4 is 36. Take and put our 3 right here. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 3 is 58. And there we have it. I wish you well on the homework. If you have any troubles, pause this and do it again. My experience with two-digit multiplication is that it takes some practice, and once you've got the hang of it, you're unstoppable. Take care.